Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ORIG. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out and answering a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today made a very nice move. From where it was all the way up here, I can't imagine anybody sitting around saying, no, this wasn't a good move. Everybody would agree, good solid move on the bull's part. But that does lead to the question, is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single point. And that point is down here at 22 cents. Why is 22 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement with true power is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 22 cents. Any sort of closes below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's literally putting the price right back inside of this range where the price already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, not saying it will, but let's say it pulls all the way back down there, bounces around on top of the range, and then heads back up. So after what I would consider a pretty drastic pullback, you'd still have a set of lows right here. Previous set of lows would be down there. You picture each one of those as stair steps, and you still have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's what a truly strong move is going to do. Over time, it's going to make progress forward, and I'm just defining and quantifying quote-unquote progress as 22 cents. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these battlegrounds at? The key level to keep an eye on right now, and I'm just going to talk about one right up here at the 28 cent mark. The reason I'm just talking about one is, in my opinion, breaking levels of resistance, not a huge priority. Top priority for the chart right now, going through some healthy consolidation, building some higher bases. So any way you slice it, very nice start to the week. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.